everybody, welcome back. Today I just want to do a quick comparison of two Raquel Welch colors. What I'm wearing here is the Raquel Welch Big Spender in the color Shaded Sand, which is RL1621 SS. We're going to compare that to the RL1222 SS Shaded Cappuccino as it's shown here on Wavy Day. So let's break down this Shaded Sand. So it's a medium to dark sandy blonde, and that's more of a neutral color, and then they come on top of that neutral with a couple of different highlights. So you're going to see in there just a light, kind of a light blonde highlight, or a honey kind of a highlight that gives it just a kiss of warmth but does not make it warm, because you're following up with all of this ash. So kind of a light ash blonde or ash platinum, especially around the face, that really changes that. It really neutralizes any warmth there. You can still see it for the dimension effect, but it's not a warm color. Love, love, love neutrals, because I have a neutral skin tone and I feel like that flatters me the best. And all of that on a medium brown root. All right, so I love it. Let's take a look at it next to the Shaded Cappuccino. Now I have here the Shaded Cappuccino on the style Wavy Day. And I have been asked about this color a lot because it seems like they were really heavy-handed on the platinum, especially around the face. It looks kind of chunkier than it normally does. So I think there is a bit of an anomaly with this application, but the base colors are the same. So you're going to see a combination of some browns, so a medium brown and a light brown. And then in on top of that, then you're going to see a little bit of a warmer, honeyed highlight, and then this ash platinum. And again, you're going to notice when I do my side by side, there's a lot of that ash platinum here. All of that also on, a little darker root. And I think these roots are about the same. I can definitely see where you can graduate and wear these colors as sister colors, because if you just want to go a little bit lighter and brighter one day, you've got the Shaded Sand, but then you could always go to Shaded Cappuccino just for a darker, richer, deeper look, because they do have the similar highlights, which kind of keep them in that same family. So I'll go ahead and do a side by side so you can pick out the differences and similarities of these two. Everybody have a great day. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel.